Hello students, we will be discussing another case of a section formula, that is if the point R divides PQ externally in the ratio m is to n. So let's see this. Maybe the question will be asked, derive the section formula of the position vector of the point that divides vector joining two points externally in the ratio m is to n. So look at this. This is a vector PQ, means vector joining two points P and Q. And R is somewhere here. R is the point such that it is somewhere, it's not on the line, on the vector PQ, it is somewhere outside PQ. But look at this ratio. This R is such that the ratio of PR to QR is m is to n. That we call as the external division. So R is somewhere not on the vector PQ. So we are supposed to find the position vector of this vector O. R means position vector of the point R we have to find. So very simple, it is the same as you have done it earlier, but slight changes will happen at the end. So now let's see. So here consider a vector P joining two points P and Q with their position vectors A and vector B. There is a point R which is dividing this vector PQ externally in the ratio m is to n, means from here to here it is m and from here to here it is n. Our intention is to find OR. So that is what here. Okay. So R is the point such that vector PR by vector QR is equal to m by n. So now we have to find what is PR and what is QR. So here is, now see here what are the things will happen. So as I mentioned earlier, vector PR by vector QR is m is to n, cross multiply as earlier. So after cross multiplication you will get this, and our intention is to find now PR and QR as earlier by triangle of vector addition. Okay, now look at this triangle ORQ. So use this triangle and apply vector addition of, that's triangle of vector addition. According to the triangle of vector addition, look for the two vectors which are taken in order. So as we know, we are taken vector, this means from P to Q, and this is in the same direction, that is QR is in the same direction as that of PQ. So QR is along this direction. Okay. So now these two vectors can be added. So vector OQ plus vector QR is nothing but vector OR. Okay, and our aim is to find QR. So QR is equal to transfer this OQ this side, that becomes minus OQ. And vector OR is nothing but its position vector is denoted by R. So this is your R and OQ means vector B. Similarly, you can compare this triangle OPR. You compare this triangle, big triangle OPR, and I apply vector addition of that triangle of vector addition. So here OP plus PR is equal to OR. Okay, and we want PR. So PR as it is, OP means A. So transfer A this side, it becomes minus A. So if you call it as equation number 1, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. So substitute 2 and 3 in this equation 1 and you will get the value of R. So let's see here. This is your equation number 1 and we have PR and QR in the last page. So substitute here, multiply by n throughout and multiply by m throughout. Now bring this R term to the right or left. You can collect similar terms together. Means I bring this vector m, the vector nr to the right. So this n vector r, bringing this side becomes minus n vector r, and bringing this to the left, that becomes plus m vector b. So you minus m vector b becomes plus m vector b, this as it is, n vector a. Now from these two you can take vector r common. So you're left with m minus n, nothing changed in the left side. So vector r is equal to means transfer this m minus n to the left, means it becomes division. So this can be written as this. Vector r is equal to mb minus na by m plus n. So the difference between the previous derivation and this is, here you are getting minus minus. So if the point r divides pq externally in the ratio m is to n, so this is the position vector of that point. So please take the screenshot of the last two pages for your better understanding and make your own notes. Now look at the example. Here, find the position vector of the point R which divides the line joining two points P and Q whose position vectors are given respectively in the ratio 2:1 externally. So R divides PQ vector externally. So simple, we have done in the previous with for internal division. Here it is for external division, only changes the sign. So here is the point R that is dividing PQ in the ratio 2:1 externally. Okay. So see here what are the given things. So vector A is given, that is position vector of P point. Vector B means position vector of Q point. And vector R means position vector of R is asked. Okay. So let's use the section formula for external division. So this is the section formula for external division. Substitute for B and A. So simply get multiply. So 2 into each term gives you minus 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and here you have to take a little bit care, that is minus is outside, so minus 1 into I is minus I cap, minus into plus, that is minus 1 into 2 is 2j cap, minus into minus plus, you will get 1 into k cap, simply you can write k cap. Now we can add component wise, that is I terms, j terms, k term separately. So minus 2i cap and minus I cap, that gives you minus 3i cap. It is equivalent to minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Okay, if you want to use in your calculator, simply you can minus 2 minus 1 you can add. Like this 2j plus 2j cap minus 2j cap, they get cancelled because same quantities but opposite in sign. So they are the negative vectors, they get cancel each other. So you can write 0 j cap. 2k cap plus k cap is it 3k cap. So this is your equality. Either you can write this or you can ignore this j term. So you can write minus 3i cap plus 3k cap. Okay. So here is the homework for you. So better you take screenshot of this. The homework is given only to make you much more perfect and to understand the concept clearly. So please work, don't forget to work, otherwise you will not going to be good in mathematics. So better take screenshot of this and verify your answer with this answer. Okay, so we will meet in the next class with another concept. So till then, bye, take care, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. I will make you too good in mathematics or done in mathematics. So keep watching my videos, and if you require any basic concepts of mathematics, just put it in the comment box. Definitely I will be in touch with you. Okay, so bye.